In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize Monday.com for customer support ticket management so you can organize, track, and resolve customer issues efficiently, all in one place. Whether you're a small team or scaling fast, this setup will help you streamline your entire support workflow. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to create a dedicated support ticket board. From the left sidebar inside Monday.com, click the Add button and select New Board. You can either choose from Template and select Customer Support or helpdesk, or you can create a board completely from scratch if you prefer full customization. Once selected, name your board something clear and simple, like Support Tickets. Then choose the visibility settings. If your whole team needs access, select Main. If it's limited to your support team, choose Private. You can also make it shareable if external collaborators need access. Next, let's add support-specific columns so you can properly categorize and manage every ticket. Start with a status column. This is essential. Customize the labels to include New, Open, Waiting on Customer, Escalated, and Closed. This allows you to instantly see where every ticket stands. Then add a People column so you can assign each ticket to a specific support agent. After that, include a priority column with labels like Low, Medium, High, and Urgent. This ensures critical issues are handled first. You'll also want to add a date column for when the ticket was received and a due date column to track your response SLA or resolution deadline. Finally, add a long text column where the full ticket description or customer message can be stored. With these columns in place, your board now functions like a structured help desk system. Now let's organize tickets using groups. Groups help you visually segment tickets for better workflow management. Create groups such as New Tickets, Open Tickets, Escalated, Pending Customer Reply, and Closed Tickets. As tickets move through the support process, you can drag and drop them between groups. This makes your board clean, organized, and easy to manage, especially when ticket volume increases. The next powerful feature is automations. Automations save your team time and reduce manual work. At the top of your board, click on Automations. In the search bar, type keywords like Support, Ticket, or Status to see relevant automation recipes. For example, you can create an automation that automatically assigns a ticket to a specific agent when the status changes to Open. You can also notify a team member when a ticket becomes urgent, or move a ticket to the Closed group when the status changes to Closed. Once you configure your chosen automation, click Add to Board. These small automations dramatically improve efficiency and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's talk about collecting customer tickets using forms. This is one of the most useful features for support teams. Inside your board views, click on Forms. From here, you can customize which fields customers must fill out, such as description, priority, email address, or category. Rearrange the fields to make the form simple and user-friendly. You can also customize the form branding and add a helpful description at the top so customers know exactly what information to provide. Once you're done, copy the public form link and share it on your website, support page, or email signature. Every time someone submits the form, a new ticket is automatically created in your board. No manual entry required. Finally, let's enhance your workflow with additional views. Click Add View and consider enabling Kanban view. This allows you to see tickets organized visually by status, making it easy to drag and move them across stages. You can also add a chart view to analyze ticket distribution by agent, priority, or category. This gives you valuable insights into workload balance and performance trends. And that's it. You now have a fully functional customer support ticket management system built inside Monday.com. With structured columns, organized groups, smart automations, forms for ticket intake, and visual views for tracking, your support team will operate more efficiently and professionally. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.